Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you over 50 and looking for a fresh youthful hairstyle that makes you feel confident and stylish? Then this video is just for you. Today we'll explore the best short haircuts for women with grey hair, styles that can instantly make you look 10 years younger without losing your natural charm. Grey hair is not something to hide, it's a mark of elegance, wisdom and beauty. And with the right haircut you can make it your best friend. So let's dive in. The pixie cut. Let's start with one of the most loved short hairstyles, the pixie cut. This style is timeless, low maintenance and perfect for highlighting your beautiful facial features. The pixie works especially well with grey hair because it gives a bright, lively look. You can keep it sleek for a professional style or add soft layers for a more playful and youthful vibe. A little styling cream is all you need to create texture and volume. If you want to add a trendy touch, try a long pixie with side bangs. It softens your face and makes you look instantly. The soft layer bob next. A perfect mix of elegance and youthfulness. This cut falls around the chin or slightly blue, adding volume and bounce to your grey hair. The layers create movement and make your hair look fuller, which is great if your hair is fine or thinning. You can style it straight for a clean look or add loose waves for a relaxed modern feel. A layered bob also frames your face beautifully and helps soften lines, giving you a fresh radiation glow. The short shaggy cut. The shag haircut is one of the biggest trends for 2025 and it looks amazing on grey hair. It's casual, easy to manage and full of texture. The uneven layers and light fringes give it a youthful feel. This style is perfect if you like a bit of volume and want something that looks great without too much effort. Just air dry and use a bit of mousses and your hair is ready to go. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading video. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.